Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone security settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to easily change your lock screen pattern or lock screen password or whatever method of lock screen you are using on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do to change your lock screen method on your Android phone is to go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master on your Android phone. So here we go. I have my Phone Master right here. So go ahead and click on Phone Master. Then have you open up your Phone Master, scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and click on Privacy and Security right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on App Lock. Enter your first security lock pattern. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top corner. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Change Password Type. Here we go. So you currently on this phone, I'm using pattern password. However, you can decide to switch from pattern password to numeric password, that is number, or better still, alphabetical password, which is letter. Select any of the other options and then use it to relock your phone screen. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Android phone security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.